love this project. Absolutely love it. A lot of stuff. If we go over here, let's take a look at something here real quick. I want to show you guys something. The big winners out there in this crypto market, right here. Let me show you the tokenomics of this thing, because tokenomics are everything. Okay, they really are. Look at this, 1 billion tokens. All right, 1 billion. The circulating supply, 87.77% of the tokens are in circulation. That's huge, okay? Huge. So deflation is not going to kill you down the road as they release tokens, because 87, almost 88% of the tokens are already in circulating supply. $31 million market cap. All right, it has to do a little over 3x just to get to 100 million. Has to do a 30x just to get to 900 million. Okay, I love this thing. I love it. 1 billion. What could this thing go to? $10? I mean, is that a possibility? All right, a 30x would put it at about $1. You'd be looking at what, a 300x. I'm not saying it's going to get to $10. I'm just saying with 1 billion total supply. All right, Cardano went over $3. I'm not saying it's another Cardano or an XRP, but them ones have, I think Cardano has 30 or 40 billion circulating. It might be more than that. XRP has 100 billion maximum supply. All right, so sky's the limit with this thing. Blockchain bets, absolutely love it. I love the small market cap cryptos. These are the ones that can change your life. Not saying could turn over and go to zero tomorrow. You never know, okay? But to throw a couple bucks at it, you never know, okay? A year ago, its all-time low, it's up almost a 15x right now from its all-time low. Had an all-time high of 5 cents. All right, it's a gaming, it's a casino, and what the hell, they explain it down here. Sports betting and online casinos. One stop for decentralized sports betting and online casinos. How big is sports betting and online casinos? They are absolutely huge, okay? So the potential, I'm not telling you to go out there and this isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you to go out there and sell your house and put everything you have on this thing. But is it worth a shot at throwing a few bucks at? In my opinion, absolutely, 100%. All right, I've been in crypto almost 5 years now. I have a very, very good grip on what does the 100x's, the 1000x's. All right, as much as I love Matic, Cardano, XRP, Polkadot, I love all of them. I love them. But their market caps are too high to do 100x or 50x even. Okay, the market caps are too high. All right, these ones with these low market caps, 30 million. A 50x will put this at $1.5 billion. All right, $1.5 billion. All right, so that's where your big gains are at, guys. I now have a live Discord. I'm going to put it in the description of the video. Please come over and join us on Discord. And if you haven't yet, guys, please check out my level 3 membership for $14.99. With a bull run coming up, guys, don't lose all your money, please. Just if you don't take advantage of my $15 trading course thing, then go get it from somebody. It's going to cost you a lot more money, but go get it somewhere. Okay, you need to know when to sell. All right. I don't cover everything that you guys hold. You don't hold everything that I hold, okay? That's just the way it goes. Last bull run, I think I had over 30 different cryptos I held, okay? You need to know when to sell, okay? That's the bottom line. If $15 gives you the knowledge to learn when to sell, it's going to save you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? Don't watch all your hard-earned money. Watch somebody else take it, because that's what goes on here. Everybody's out to take your money. You're out to take theirs. That's the name of this game. And, there's winners and there's losers in the end. There's a lot more losers than winners. Please, please, just take that little bit of advice from me. Don't buy it from me. Go buy it from somebody else. Just please give your knowledge is power. You need to know when to sell. You have to. Okay. All right. I don't know. I just don't know how much more to say that, because if you don't, you're gonna remember these words, and it can be brutal out there, guys. I watched my wallet go to immense sizes the last bull run, and I watched it go right back down because I thought it was going to keep going up. I paid $400 for a trading course. I'm absolutely glad I did. I'm not complaining about that a bit. But for 15 bucks, I give you the same amount of information. So if you're interested, go sign up for it. But please come join us on Discord too, guys. Let's take a look at BCB here, Blockchain Bets. All right, this thing is right now. Where are we at? We're at 0.0346. We're down 1.25% for the day. Okay, grabbing right here at we're almost 3.5 cents. Okay, now let's look at some RSIs. We're forming a wedge pattern in here. Okay, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it. Okay, you can see the bottom. You can see a touch here, here, here. Just about a touch up here. You got one on the top. 2 on the top. Like to see 3 in there. I could squeeze it in here like that, make 3, but I'd rather leave it where it's at. All right. Now, if we look at some RSIs and see if we're oversold or not, the 8 hours at the bottom at a 12 and a 13, ready to flip bullish. Okay, looks like it's down, getting near the bottom of this zone. The 4 hour. Let me push that out of there a second. The 4 hour has flipped bullish. The 12 hour. The 12 hour is rolling over here. Okay, we do have a green at 12-hour candle, but it is rolling over bearish there. And your daily is right at the bottom. It's at a 14 and an 18, right on the verge of flipping bullish. Okay, it's just right on that verge. And we have a weekly. Yeah, we have a bearish weekly here. Okay, so let's take a look here. All right, if it would lose this wedge, which I don't think it's going to, okay? My personal opinion, I think it's held it too long here. I don't think it's going to lose it. If it loses it, the measured move would be pretty far down there. I think it's, quite honestly, I think it's going to break up here, okay? You got some support areas. Let me mark out some areas here before we go any further. You got one right there. Mark this out here, okay? Right about there. All right, let's make that a 1, so it's not so bold. There we go. And this blue line, let me let's see here. That should be probably right about in this area here. Okay, we want that yellow. Them are your support and resistance areas. Okay, now, like I said, with that, you got the 12-hour pulling down. You got the 8 is bullish, the 4 is bullish, and your daily is just about there. Okay, now some areas to watch for. If we end up losing, if it loses this right down here, this could actually be pulled up a hair here. Let me see, right about there. Okay, let's lock that. Okay, if it loses 0.0317, okay, if it loses that area, then it's going to come down a little bit lower. Okay, right here is the next area down, right about there at 0.0277. Okay, now the first area to break here is at 3.5 cents. Any kind of breakout would be above 0.042. 0.042. All right, then you'd be looking at going higher here. Okay, I believe this. My personal opinion, it looks like it wants to break out the upside here. Okay, looks like a 5-wave up, a corrective move in here. We zoom in here a little bit. Looks like a possible. Let me measure this out. Let me see if this measures up with anything. Not really. No, don't. Okay, that doesn't measure up with anything really in there. Okay, but we got the 4 hour bullish. We got the 8 hour, just about bullish. 12, it's roughly a 13 and a 13. 12 hour pulling down a little bit on the bottom. The regular RSI, you can see it is curving up. Okay, and your daily, that daily is just about there. The regular RSI on the bottom is starting to curve up. Okay, we have this low and we have a higher low. Do we have bullish divergence in there or not? No. Okay, I was looking to see if there's any bullish divergence in there. There's not. Okay, but so keep an eye on these levels, guys. All right, very, very important. If it loses 0.03, 0.0316, then it's coming down here to 0.0278. All right, if it breaks above this level right here at 0.0418, then we have a breakout. Then it's breaking out the upper side. All right, them are your key areas to keep an eye on. I think it's going to probably more than likely break up. These RSIs are getting pretty low down here. You're at a 43 down here. On the 8 hour, you're at a 43. The 4 hour, you're at a 44. They're just getting over into the oversold area. And you can see once they get that low, they have a tendency to shoot back up. Okay, right here is where we're at right now, right there. Okay, you can see when we get to those areas, you know, you tend to have a move up. Okay, so we'll see what happens here, guys. There's your areas of support and resistance. Keep an eye on them. BCB, man, I got big hopes for this thing. All right, guys, have a great day.